In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task templates in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly versatile project management tool designed to help you stay organized and streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing a team or handling tasks solo, using task templates can save you time and ensure consistency across your projects. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating tasks using templates in ClickUp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to use templates to boost your productivity. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to clickup.com. Once you're there, sign into your ClickUp account using your preferred method. This could be your email address or a connected service like Google or Microsoft. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now that you're inside, make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want your tasks to live. If you're managing multiple workspaces, you can switch between them using the drop-down menu in the top left corner of your screen. Once you're in the right workspace, navigate to the space or project where you plan to use the template. Spaces and projects are the broader categories that help you organize your tasks. So choose the one that aligns with your workflow. From there, drill down to the specific list if your work is further divided into folders and lists. After that, make sure you're in List View. If you're in a different view such as Board View or Calendar View, switch to List View so you can follow along smoothly. Next, look for the Add Task button in the top right corner of your screen and click on it. This will open the task creation window. In the task creation pop-up, you'll see an option for templates. Click on it to open up the Template Center. Here's where the magic happens. To narrow down your options, use the category filter to show only task templates. This will make it easier to find what you're looking for without being overwhelmed by unrelated templates. Now, browse through the available task templates and select the one that best matches your workflow or the type of task you're creating. Take a moment to review the details of the template to ensure it fits your needs. Once you've found the right template, click on Use Template. This will apply the selected template to your new task, saving you time and ensuring everything is set up just the way you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created a task using a template in ClickUp. By following this process, you can streamline your work and maintain consistency across your projects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.